What's up guys, today we have another EDC. This is the card wallet tool and has loads of functions. So let's go over the functions. It has this 2-inch ruler here, has a bottle opener here. It has the, what does it say here, screwdriver. So there's a flathead screwdriver here, letter opener here. So you put you'd slip in where you put, so the part that you want to cut, you'll slip it in here and you'd slide it and cut it. Another flathead screwdriver here. This, I'm not sure what that is. Box opener. Box opener on this side, I guess. Just to get the sellotape off. Another screwdriver here. Another flathead. Number 4, hex bit, number 8 hex bit, number 12 hex bit, number 10 and number 6 and number 2 hex bit, or would you call them wrenches. Cell phone stand, so you can insert a card into here. I don't have a card to demonstrate, but you would put the card in like the stand on the back and will drop like that, and then you put the phone on top there. I don't know, I don't remember using it, so don't know how sturdy it is. There's a can opener here to actual, the old tin cans. These 2 dots here, I presume are for the ruler. I would think that they'd be, yeah, so like 1 inch to 1.5 inch on the inside of that dot there. There's 2 dots there, if you can see. On the back, we have centimeters, metric, box opener, as I said, and yeah, it's pretty much the same on this side, except for the centimeters. And it's very handy to have. You can just pop it in your wallet. It's the same size as a card, and has it's solid enough, a bit of weight in it, but not too heavy. This is not airplane friendly. I used to have one in black. I had it in my wallet and they said it was not safe because I think it was this. They said it was too sharp. They think that I could cut something with it, but it's not sharp at all. But that's the airport security. TSA? No, TSA is America. I don't know, whatever the airport security acronym is. But there we have it. This is the wallet card multi-tool. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.